estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that. One of the big problems with Ethereum right now is that people are overpaying for fees, and this is something that's been happening for a while. And obviously, as Ethereum becomes more popular, it becomes more congested, and there's more likely people are overpaying fees. So in the next couple of months, there's going to be this upgrade that will basically introduce a fixed fee. And what that's going to do is just help people with this problem, and people are getting in right now ahead of this news, and the DeFi just continues to grow. Long term, I think with the halving coming up in 2024 and the year after, that always seems to do very, very well for Bitcoin. I think estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that it will at some stage. With just the scarcity aspect alone, it makes it an incredibly exciting asset to hold. Ethereum, though, brings in this other element of utility that we just don't have with Bitcoin. We have the emergence of NFTs. We have this decentralized finance space. It's really difficult to say how far Ethereum could go. There's a lot of competition now in the space for these decentralized applications, so they may eat into Ethereum's lunch, whereas Bitcoin is kind of uncontested. If you look at the stock-to-flow model, which is a really popular metric for gauging the potential price rise of Bitcoin, it's fairly accurate, and it's plotted it well above $100,000, sorry, during this cycle alone. Obviously, with the next halving in 2024, the year after the halving always seems to create this huge rise, and that's what we're seeing now. The last halving for Bitcoin was in 2020, and we're now in 2021, and we've already seen prices explode beyond the all-time high of 20,000. We've tripled that. We're at 60,000. So yeah, it's possible. I really do believe it's possible. I don't know when, but it's after 2025.